Libra, this is your channel messages for the 18th of November. I am your host, Vanessa Carby. Libra, we're going straight into your reading. Libra, let us go. Let's go. Let's see what your overall message is, Libra. We have the Seven of Cups being your overall message. So I'm getting confusion, a lot of intoxications, or you are in a daze, Libra. Don't know what you're thinking about, or I don't know. I feel like you're trying to wonder who your enemy is. I'm getting you are your own enemy, Libra. Let's continue the reading though. Let's go. We got the Five of Wands coming out first. I'm getting you are your own enemy. You're the one who started the fights. You're the one who told the lies. You're the one who got all these people involved. It's you.
Someone has been in my room drinking my beer.
Who would do such a thing, sweetheart? Who?
I know who's the bear thief. I think you're the bear thief.
Okay, so I'm getting here is you. You is doing all of this, and you want somebody to think that it's them. Or I'm getting something is completely staged. I'm getting something about, you see, when you're asleep, people can see this, and this. I'm getting is like a TV. Anytime you dream, one TV come on, and them can see what's on the TV. What you dream, them can't see. No, I'm kind of getting fights are being staged around you to make you feel like you're the one who's causing the problem. But I'm getting the information based off your dreams, if that makes sense. People are fight around you, people are fight with you, and you think that you and somebody's in an altercation. I'm getting it all staged. Something is being probed. I think that's what I want to say. Five of Wands is the arguments. We have the King of Cups, Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio, man. So something about this man, all right? We have the Queen of Swords. Okay, something about this couple. One is a Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio. The other one is a Libra, Aquarius, Gemini. So I'm getting the issue is this couple, this two couple. It could be like a white couple. Yeah, another five again. We have Five of Wands, King of Cups, Queen of Swords, and the Five of Swords. So I'm getting, no, you guys are at odds. I'm getting someone is supposed to stay asleep, someone supposed to stay in one days, or somebody not supposed to wake up. I'm getting this couple is responsible for this subject to not wake up, or they're responsible for probing this person's dreams. The problem is on the Five of Wands is on his side, and the Five of Swords is on her side. This could be two things. Uno doing this. Okay, there's something about the King of Cups being white, but the arguments being black. With the woman, the arguments are white, and the people are white, the arguments are white. The man, the people, the arguments are white, but the people in black. I'm getting something about, okay, so I'm getting the woman, she'll get bare backlash from her own kind. It's a white woman or somebody fair skin, I'm getting our kind of give her hell because they find out what she do. I'm getting our own kind of done her. If she white woman and done her. If she black woman and done her. I don't know what you do, but I'm getting the whole crowd that come down upon you and then don't care. They might attack you. Like they might gang you and beat you. I'm getting the man them, some black man have come for your blood clot man too. They might beat the fuck out of him. So I'm getting you gonna get your ass whooped by these women, and I'm getting something about, for some reason there's something about a dominating black crowd that is being upset. Not exactly sure why, but both sides have 55. Five of Swords, Five of Wands, 55. So there's something, but me getting the Seven of Cups is more like the dream, is more like in a daze. Maybe this couple won't bring you out for making an altercation with people. Maybe that's what this is. Because there's 5 for her and 5 for him, and both 5 is fighting. We have the Six of Wands. I don't see, okay, So now if this was a couple where only keep a fight each other, me getting the woman I go finally leave. I don't know if the woman attack you. Cause me getting the woman must say attack you or she damage you and she left. Something like that. Or me getting them want the girl leave. Me getting you there with this girl, them not want you there with her. They want this girl to leave, them want you there with one other girl. I don't know if the girl them want you there with black. I don't know what this. Me getting she go and leave. Yeah, the 9 of cups. The 9 of swords. We have 19. So we have 55, 99 and the devil. We have 99. One person going to be hurt more than the other. One person is left celebrating or drinking. One person is left hurt. And we have the devil. So I'm kind of trying to see, you're trying to figure out who was the demonic one in the relationship. Me getting the one that seemed unfazed after the breakup, them is the evil one. The one that continue with them life and continue like nothing never happened and never addressed the issue and never spoke about the issue and act like them life is the best shit what ever happened since the breakup, that one was the evil one. That's the evil one. The one who cry, the one who go through the torment, the one who go through all of this, the one where you kind of even afraid to ask them about the relationship and you know if you're going to trigger them, that is the good one. The evil one is the one who walk away and them have no emotions or them display like them don't have no emotions. That was the one with the problem. Yeah, the one with the cup in them hand. Me getting him just a drink him a party, him a go on like nothing happened. Me getting when she left, she couldn't even sleep. She couldn't eat, she couldn't do nothing. She couldn't sleep, she couldn't eat, she couldn't think, she couldn't do nothing. When you left, him start party. But apparently they're saying, if it's not a couple argument, apparently they're saying apparently you're not seeing what's causing all of this. You're saying somebody needs to be more respectful, more submissive, more concerning. You need to put on the blood clot bottle. Because you keep asking these women what are they bringing to the table, but you are bringing a cup and a bottle of whiskey to the table. Thinking it's okay because you have money. Sir, I don't know who are going to tell you that money is going to make you somebody in your life. Money is going to make you a respected person. Money is going to make girl love you. Money is going to make people actually give a fuck what you do. I don't know who are telling you that money is going to do this for you. It's only a fucking lie. It's only a fucking lie. We have handler. We have the hermit, which is Virgo energy. We have bright future. We got Sagittarius. And we have, can we just talk? Can we just talk? Think about where we're going. I'm gonna leave it here.